Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today here we have the Fenix Pro. This is the 7th generation from the company Fenix, premium dry herb vaporizers. Nice boxing, very clean and easy. Inside we have the user manual, which explains your temperature settings and how to use your dry herb vaporizer. Once it slides out of the box, you have a very portable device. As you can see, the design is very sleek, easy to use, beautiful mouthpiece. In order to fill your herbs up, you simply slide the mouthpiece up and pack your herbs inside the chamber and slide the mouthpiece back on. And to turn on, you press the on-off button 5 times in a row and you will see the light come on. You can adjust your temperature settings up or down with these 2 buttons here, and to switch off, simply press the on-off button 5 times in a row and it will switch off. Also included in the box is an accessories box. This is filled with tools that will help you keep and maintain your dry herb vaporizer. Included in the box is a replacement rubber seal with mesh which goes inside above your chamber. You are also included as 2 brushes, wire brushes, and your USB charging cable. The Fenix Pro is a portable premium dry herb vaporizer. It's available today from www.sydneyvaporizers.com.au. Jump online and grab yours today.